What's up, YouTube? Coming to you from Houston, Texas. We just came out to assess the damage around our area and see what the water was looking like. This is a ditch like by a Walmart by our house. It usually barely has any water in it, but it's still raining right now. It's supposed to rain all day today and tomorrow. And these little ditches like this is what's been saving our area, but it's almost to capacity now. Hopefully we'll continue to get spared though. This is another retention pond right behind our house. There's usually water in here, but I've never seen it this high before. We passed by earlier, there was a dude kayaking out there. I don't see him now. A few months ago, it was 3 people kayaking out here, and then one of them flipped over and drowned.
How many more inches you think it would take to push that over?
Probably like a foot or 2.
Whoa.
This is the one that's on the other side of our apartments, and it usually doesn't have any water in it at all. Now you can see it's almost at the top.
Well, people have parked their cars on the grass. Look over there.
Yeah, people trying to park on the grass just in case, because we're projected to get more rain.
It's starting to rain again now.
And if this goes over, then it's coming right into our complex.